It is easier than ever to make money online in 2025. I don't care what anyone says, right? So today, listen up, today, I'm looking right now. I made about $200 today and I haven't done anything, right? I woke up late. I'm about to go in the gym, and this is how making money online has been so great to me and has literally changed my life. But with this video, I want you to know you can do the same thing, right? I'm not special. I'm not super smart. I'm just a guy that was willing to put himself out there and just grind and figure things out and try new things. And I got to a space to where some of those things start to hit. And I'm the type of person, if I see something work once, that's all I need to see. It's like, okay, if I did it once, I can do it again. So now, I do this full time, right? So I quit my job in July of 2024, and I have my own online business, right? So I do content, I offer services, and those are my two main things that bring in money, right, for me online. But the thing is, guys, I think anyone can do this, right? Anyone can do this, right? And I've seen so many people, or maybe I'm talking to someone about this and they're like, oh, I don't know, I can't do it, or what will I talk about? I'm like, yo, right? You have kids making money online. You have people that are, older people. Not saying older people can't make money online, but it doesn't matter what age you are. Whatever you're good at, whatever you like to do, whatever skills you have, you can monetize it. It doesn't matter. You could just be a mom. You can monetize that and make money online. I'll give you an example. So how you could monetize that being just a mom is you could just get on video and share your life as a mom and build a brand around that, and you can start making money. You could even make money just from being on a platform. So I would say that's one of the best ways to make money online, is to take advantage of these platforms. A lot of these platforms are paying people to create content. For example, YouTube, right? I'm gonna get paid for this video, right? I have around 200 videos on my channel. I make money from these videos in multiple ways, right? And this isn't the only channel I have. I have another channel with, I think, around 330 videos. And the channel's only 500 subscribers. I'm making money from that, right? So there's so many different ways that you can make money. And I know some of you may make the excuse. You're like, okay, I'm shy. I don't want to get on video. Okay. There's other ways you can make money, right? There's no excuses in 2025. There's so many opportunities out here. I don't want to hear the excuses no more. I don't even want to hear the things about, people saying, I don't have no money. Okay, get online. Get online and you can start making money. Or you need extra money? Okay, get online. Okay, so you don't want to get on video? Okay, start a blog, right? Once again, let's just use the mom for an example. You can start blogging about the life of being a mom. And then I would say something you could tap into is like affiliate marketing. So you could start recommending services, products that you use as a mom to other moms, right? Because you know that they would benefit from it and you'll get commissions from that. Now, I'll be honest, that's more of a long-term play. It's gonna take some time to build that blog. But what I want you to know in this video is you can do it. And there's multiple ways that you can do it that fit you, your personality. And I'll give you another example. If you don't like that example, start a service, right? You could create the service yourself, or you could take advantage of some of these platforms. I'll give you a perfect example. It's a platform called Fiverr, Upwork. So they're freelance platforms. People come to these platforms looking for specific services. So this is easier because you're going where the traffic is already at, right? And the platform will put you in front of these people. So you don't have to build an audience when it comes to platforms like this, which is why I like it, and it makes it easier because, if you don't do that, you have to do all the marketing and all the other stuff. So they kind of do it for you, and you just think about what service you can make, right? Maybe you want to help people with taxes. Maybe you want to maybe you're a writer. You want to do copywriting services, proofreading services. If you like video, you could do video content for businesses, brands. You can create a service around anything, right? So once again, trying to get you out the excuse of, oh, I don't know what to do, or I can't do that. It really comes down to, what is the knowledge you have, right? What is the experience that you have? What are the problems in the market that people have, and can you position yourself as a solution to those problems? That's really where, you know, a lot of making money online comes from, and especially like the big bucks. When I really started to make more money is when I really tapped into, okay, what is the market showing me as far as what they need, want, and what they're struggling with? So market research, right? And then assessing myself, the skills I have, the knowledge that I have in my head, and it's like, okay, I can help here in this lane wherever people are struggling. And then positioning my services or products in that lane, whether it's through these different platforms or even through my own brand, for example, with this YouTube channel. That's really all I did. Other than that, it was just kind of, you know, once again, doing research and seeing, okay, what platforms or different online programs can I be good at just based on the skills and the knowledge that I have. For example, a big platform that makes me a good amount of the money that I make online is Amazon, right? So through affiliate marketing and also through on-site commission. So creating product reviews, or some people call them shoppable videos for specific products. So that's a skill that I have because I've been on camera since 2016. You know, I've created, you know, close to probably 1,000 videos. So once again, I'm knowing that, okay, I can do this because I know how to create effective videos, right? So taking advantage of these different programs, Amazon, and the programs that they offer for people that aren't afraid to get on video and talk about products. Specifically with content creation and building like a personal brand, these things are just taking off, and they're just gonna continue to grow moving forward, 2025 and moving forward. So the opportunity is here, man, right? I would tell people that are not online and building their personal brand and getting into content creation, I would tell you, you're missing out on a huge opportunity, and it's growing. It's growing. Like, this is an actual career now, right? Like, creating content is an actual job now. And the thing is, guys, like I kind of mentioned a little bit, you can talk about anything. Because I used to feel like that. It's like, what can I get online and talk about? Like, I don't have nothing to offer, right? But how can you have success when you think like that about yourself, or thinking like, oh, I have nothing of value to offer to people? You know what I'm saying? So I really had to work on my mindset and then kind of switch and be like, okay, what do I do on a daily basis, right? At the time when I first started getting online, it was fitness, right? Even now, I'm still into fitness. How about I start sharing my passion and love for fitness, right? That's what I started doing, and then I started to monetize that. You see what I'm saying? So for one, you have to believe in yourself and believe that you can help people and you offer value to people with whatever you do. Like I said, it could just be that you're a mom and you could help other moms, right? Maybe you're an artist, maybe you're some kind of medical professional. That can offer value to people. You can share your life about being a medical professional. People want to know about that job, right? And you can share about that because you have so much experience in it and you've done it. So you can guide people to doing the same thing that you've done. And that could be your way to making money online. So what I'm saying there is leverage your life. Your life is literally content, can be content. I'm seeing it everywhere. Even like the people that are struggling, right, in life and when it comes to finances, those people are posting that online and they're blowing up, right? Because it's relatable. There's a level of vulnerability, you know, being able to put yourself out there knowing that you're struggling, but they're monetizing and they're changing their lives because they were just willing to be vulnerable and share the struggles, right? So people are monetizing their struggles. Think about that for a second, right? I feel like back in the day, it was more so like people didn't really talk about certain things, or if they were broke, you know, people would be ashamed of talking about it. People are talking about stuff now. They're talking about divorce, being broke, just crazy situations that they've been through, and they're making money. Just told y'all the game, man. There's no more excuses. I don't want to hear it no more from nobody. I don't care what age you are. I don't care if you feel like you don't have nothing going on in your life. I don't care about none of that. There's no more excuses. Get online, hit record. You don't even need a camera. Use your phone. There's no more excuses, right? Maybe you don't even have a job. Okay. Get online and talk about that. Share your journey of being jobless to getting a job, or being broke to, finally making a little bit of money and improving your life, right? You can monetize that, right? And I keep talking about this stuff because making money online has literally changed my life. I never thought I would be in this position, y'all. I work for myself, right? I wake up to making $200. I've never made that at any job I've ever had. Think about that. It has changed my life, right? Being able to provide experiences for my family, being able to just see more, do more, right? And not just from the financial aspect, but being able to have freedom to do things on my terms, to do what I want to do, and really investing in myself, right? And not just giving so much to, these dead-end jobs that don't even care about you. They'll replace you in a second, right? If you're a good worker, they're just going to add more work. But yeah, that's a whole nother video. I have some videos about that on my channel. Just check out the videos on my channel about what I think about 9-to-5s. It all starts with the step, guys, of stepping out of your comfort zone and just putting yourself out there and just seeing what happens. That's how I started. I didn't think it would come to this. I didn't think I would be a content creator. It's never something that I thought I would be good at. You're talking to a guy that used to be terrified to get, in school, to get in front of the classroom and talk to the classroom, would stutter and sweat. And, I've always get super anxiety, very shy, but, being able to turn on the camera and talk, I never thought I would be doing this, but it's been life-changing. And it started with just me just kind of stepping out of my comfort zone and putting myself out there. And then being able to really commit to something and stick with it long enough. That's something that I talk about a lot, because that's what it takes with a lot of things. It's just sticking with it. That's why a lot of people don't make money online, because they don't stick with it long enough, right? They get on there and expect to make money in, a couple weeks or a month. It's like, come on, we gotta be realistic now, right? You wouldn't expect that with nothing else, so why are you expecting that with this, right? You have to be realistic, but it is possible. I'm living proof of that, right? And I can share about that. I can talk about these things because I've done it. I've been the person that, not believing in myself, feeling I have nothing to offer, struggling, broke, to full time, right? Living life on my terms, not worried about money really, actually being able to explore the world and experience things that I never thought I would experience. It's life-changing. So hopefully this video motivated you, gave you some ideas as well, to just put yourself out there. It can change your life. It can change your family's life. But if you're thinking about getting online, what's holding you back? Let me know in the comments. I know a lot of people let things hold them back. If something's holding you back, let me know what that is. Or maybe you've already started your journey of making money online. How's that going for you? Let me know in the comments. Hopefully you got value from this. Drop a like if you enjoyed it. I will see you on my next video. Peace.